Alright guys, so what we are doing today is going to be a very dramatic shoot. So even though in the camera, the behind the scenes camera, you will be seeing it well lit up or illuminated, that's not how my camera is going to see it, because we're not considering this ambient light that is going on. It's just going to be, or my camera is set so that it's only the SNOOT that is going to be lighting up our subject. So what I have is I'm using the cuts. I would actually bring them out so you guys see how they look, and I'm using that to shape like a very narrow beam of light just on my subject, and I'll just be moving around different angles, trying to get like, you know, different kind of lighting patterns on hair, including hair shadow that's going to be cast on the backdrop. Some of them we will see it, some of them we may not, but you know, that's the fun of this. I think it's more experimental, so we'll just go with it and then see what we're able to capture. So I'm using my Canon R5 and the Sigma 50 1.4 art lens, and my camera settings 1/200, f4 and ISO 125. So I think with this we should be able to get like a decent amount of lighting on our subject. So let me not talk too much, start shooting and then show you guys the pictures as I take them. Alright, so you can use gobos in this modifier, but what I'm using is just this slit, and so you see when it comes together, it means that there's no light going to come through it, right? But when you leave a little gap, that's where you're going to use as your lighting source. You can create different patterns. So I can put it together and it's going to create like this little pointy triangle-ish shape. And I can bring it further apart to create a bigger slit, or I can bring it really close and we'll have a very narrow beam coming through. So that's all I'm going to be playing with today. Maybe we'll do some further experiments later on in the video, but this is all I want to play with in today's video because I think it suits the look and also what I'm going for. So guys, before I proceed, leave a like on this video because what I'm doing is really tough. How it should work is I'm supposed to use the modeling lamp of the light to figure out where the light is on here, but I want you guys to also see the behind the scenes. So I'm actually not seeing where that slit of light is. I'm going to be guessing a little bit. It means it's making the video going to be like a little bit harder, but leave a like to support me for the effort. And yeah, let's start shooting, right? Yep. Okay. Let me start out with like straight on, you know, and because again, we've already figured out where the light is. So try not to move to your left or right. Otherwise you'll be out of it. Yeah, face me directly. Okay. I think because of the way it is also, if you could, you know, just add some shape. Perfect. Oh, that's beautiful. Keep that. Oh, that's nice. One more. Perfect. One last shot. Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. Bring your chin down a little bit. Let's do that one again. So straighten your head. Yeah. Straight to the camera and then just lift it up. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Oh, that's beautiful. Nice. One more. Perfect. I love them. Beautiful. Perfect. Ooh, that's really good. Keep that. Stunning. Yeah, one last shot. Perfect. These are very good. Okay. Beautiful. I love that. When you do that, just raise your chin a little bit. Yes. Stunning. Ooh, one more. Beautiful. One last shot. Awesome. Agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond dreamy, breezy, we go easy. So I'm pretty happy with the close-up shot that we did. So all I've done is just made her move back. I'm also going to move a little further back. So we'll see if we can, you know, just get a fuller shot. I think it's just going to add like an interesting look to the entire shoot. So, ready? Awesome. Okay, so I'm still using the same settings even though I'm trying to get like a fuller shot in the frame. So currently my shutter speed is 1/200, aperture f4, ISO 125. All right. Yeah, that's beautiful. Stunning. And Eleanor is really great at posing. She knows how to move her body. She's like in full control, so you don't need to direct her as much. I'm loving these. Perfect. One last frame. Stunning. Yeah, we got it, we got it. Restoring everything within. All right, so if you've been following this channel for a very long time, you know I always like to do 3 kinds of shots. I always want to get like a wide, then I do medium, and then I do close. Already we've done 2 of them. We did a full body shot, and we did some close-ups like 3/4, and now we're just going to come in a little bit tighter. But one other thing is this camera is 45 megapixels, so it means that even if I'm not too close or super close, I can still crop in and I'm not going to lose as much details as I would if I was using a camera with lower megapixels. So all right, so because this one is like quite close, exactly, if you want to add your hands, it means it has to come close to your upper part. So like I'm from here to somewhere there.
All right.
Cool. Okay, beautiful. Ooh, okay, now we're not in the light, so I think you should move this way, yeah. Oh yeah, that's perfect. That's really, really good. I think the light is very strong this time because we are close. So I'm going to go onto my trigger and then just bring it down a tiny bit. All right, let me take a test. That's perfect. All right, let's keep going. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, I love. What I'm liking about this is the fact that it's so mysterious. Ooh, I love that shot. Perfect. Ooh, this is stunning. Yes. Yeah, that's very nice. Just scoot a little bit, like half one. Perfect. Not so much. Good, good, good. I love that. I love that, love that, love that. Beautiful. Okay, one more. Stunning. Here we go. All right, so now for our last set, I just brought her all the way close to the backdrop so that, you know, it's just going to make the slit a lot more dramatic. And then I'm going to be shooting like a 3/4 shot. So that's what we're going to be doing. And this is going to be like our last set of images. All right, so I'm starting off with these shots. Oh, that's beautiful. Nice. Yeah, that's stunning. Yes. Beautiful. Okay, one more shot. I think we should do the other one where like you, but it should be your right. Yeah. Oh, that's stunning. Beautiful. One more shot. Yeah, let's go. Maybe you can like put both. Yeah, yeah. Keep that. Ooh, this is fire. One last shot, and boom. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand.
I'm so excited. I can't wait to see like the final
Pictures, yeah. Alright, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you had fun. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'm going to try out, you know, different shoots with this. This was just like my first. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I did unboxing just a couple of days ago on my stories. So I've not really had time to play with this. There are certain gobos. Let me show you those ones. So this is what I was talking about. It came with some gobos, right? Like we have this one, yeah, like this. And there are so many of them, right? Unfortunately, all of these ones are like blinds or windows or, you know, something of that sort. So I am going to get more of them. Yeah, I can make my own gobos. And when I get the holder, it's just going to be like in the holder. So I can just slot it in and then, you know, create all kinds of patterns. So we are going to experiment a lot on this channel. So if you aren't subscribed, what should they do?
Subscribe now.
Now, guys.
Tell somebody else to subscribe.
yeah. And also leave a like because it helps with the algorithm to push this video to more people so more people can benefit and have fun just like you are having right now. So catch you guys in the next video, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, with Eleanor as well. So see you in the next video and remember, don't ever give up.